Now we are discussing the R1 rotation. R1 rotation is the part of deletion in the AVL. Means whenever we are going to delete a node from the AVL, sometime it happen that the tree become unbalanced. Now to balance that tree, we need certain rotation. R1 rotation is one of them. So talking about the R1 rotation, if the balancing factor of node is 1, then R1 rotation is applied. To understand this, I am taking one example. Let us suppose that we are having a tree and there are certain nodes like 37, 26, then 41, 39, then 18, 28 and 16. So these are the nodes available. Now first of all we have to find out whether this tree is AVL or not. We know that all the leaf nodes are having the balancing factor as 0. So all the leaf nodes which are having no children have the balancing factor 0. Now find the balancing factor of node number 18. Here on the left hand side we are having one level, on the right we are having nothing. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So balancing factor of node number 18 is 1. Now find the balancing factor of node 26. Here on the left hand side we are having 1 and 2. Two levels are there. On the right hand side we are having only one level. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So balancing factor of 26 is 1. Now find the balancing factor of 41. Here on the left we are having only one level available. On the right there is no level. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now find the balancing factor of 37. So node 37, on the left hand side we are having 1, 2 and 3. Three levels are there. On the right hand side we are having 1 and 2 level. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the balancing factor of 37 is 1. Now we can see that all the nodes are having balancing factor 1, 0 or minus 1, which is the criteria. That means if the balancing factor is equal to 0, 1 or minus 1, then this is called the AVL tree or called the balanced AVL tree. Now let us suppose that we are going to delete a node from this tree. Let us suppose the node number 39 we want to delete. So we are deleting node number 39. So here we are having the existing tree. Out of that we have to delete the node number 39. So this node number 39 will be deleted from this tree now. So now we are having the remaining tree after deleting the node number 39. Now we are going to find out the balancing factor. Maybe possible that balancing factor of this tree got changed. So all the leaf nodes are having balancing factor as 0. Now afterward we are going to find the balancing factor of node number 18. So here node 18 is having on the left 1, on the right nothing. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now talking about node number 26, on the left hand side we are having one level and two level. On the right hand side we are having only one level. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So balancing factor of node number 26 is 1. Now find the balancing factor of node number 37. So here on the left we are having 1, 2 and 3. On the right hand side we are having height is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we have to verify, is it a balanced AVL tree? We can see that all the nodes are following the balancing factor property, which is 0, 1 and minus 1, except the node 37. On the node 37 we are having balancing factor which is 2, so which is not following the property, because balancing factor says that it should be 0, 1 or minus 1. So this is not a balanced AVL, it is the unbalanced AVL tree. Now to make this tree balance, we have to perform the rotation. So here which rotation will be applied? Now we are going learning that. So we are having the existing tree with the balancing factor. Now we should understand that which rotation should be applied here. First of all, we should go on the top at this level, and we have to observe that where the tree is more towards. We can see that on left hand side the tree is having the 3 levels. On the right hand side tree is having only 1 level. So first thing we must understand that tree should be rotated towards the right hand side. So here R rotation will be applied. So we can write that apply rotation, which is R, or we can say that apply rotation R. But which R rotation? Because we know that in the R there are multiple rotations like R0, R1 and R minus 1. So to find out, we has to go with the trick. We know that first of all we has to combine the extreme two together. So here extreme two nodes are combined together. Afterward, again on that belt we has to find two extreme nodes. So they are again together. So the logic is that two extreme nodes should be coupled. So we have make two couples here. Afterward, whatever the node is remaining, which is node number 26, and in that node number 26, whatever the balancing factor is there, we know that the balancing factor is 1. So that balancing factor 1 is the name of rotation we have to apply. That means apply R1 rotation. So here we are going to apply the R1 rotation. We has to make two couples. Then one more thing, we have to delete the remaining node from this particular tree. So now is the turn to make the tree after this rotation. Again we are continuing with our trick that whenever we are going to apply a rotation, we have to make a couple and delete element. We have done already. Now how to construct the tree from there? First of all, take one extreme couple, which is 18 and 16. So we have taken 1, 18 and 16 together. So they are taken together. One out of that is 18, another is the 16. Now take out the another couple, which is the extreme couple, which is 37 and 41. So take it at the other end, that is 37 and 41. So these two are taken. Writing here 37 and 41. Now to connect these two couples, we have to take one node here, and that node we already have, which is 26. So this 26 node will be there, and that will combine these two couples. So 26 will come here. Now we have left with one node, which is 28, which was earlier disconnected. So this was the 28 node. Writing in between 28. This 28 we has to connect logically. We know that 28 is greater than 26 but less than 37. So it will be connected here. So this is the tree which will come after the rotation. Now we have to find out the tree constructed after the rotation. Is the AVL balanced tree or not? So for that we are going to find the balancing factor. We know that all the leaves which are having no child have the balancing factor 0. Then talking about the balancing factor of node number 37, on the left we are having 1, on the right we are having 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly, if we find the balancing factor of node number 18, on the left we are having 1, on the right we are having nothing. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now find the balancing factor of node number 26. So on the left we are having 1, 2, so 2 on the left. Then on the right 1 and 2, two levels are there. So 2 minus 2. So 26 is having balancing factor as 0. So this is the balanced AVL tree. So here we have constructed the balanced AVL tree after the rotation R1. So here in this particular topic we have learned the R1 rotation. Whenever we are going to delete a node from the tree, then the tree become unbalanced, and to make or restore the balanced tree, we need a rotation. So here we have learned the R1 rotation.